Today we're taking a look at the Frostgrave Soldiers 2 box and the Tribals box. These are both 28mm multi-part hard plastic miniatures. Let's start with this one. So these are from Frostgrave, a quite popular tabletop game. So let's open this up. So these have this box is all female soldiers. So the Soldiers 1 box is male soldiers and the Soldiers 2 box is female ones. We get 20 bases. These are 25mm. And we get 4 sprues, identical sprues. So we get 5 bodies, 10 heads, lots of hand weapons, a couple of shields, bows, crossbow, and then some accessories up here. The good thing about this line of miniatures, at least the winter miniatures, is that they basically come in one box is male, one box is female, and for example, if you had the female mage box, you can put loads of those parts on these bodies. They are very interchangeable within the line, so yeah, I tend not to add all of this stuff. I like my miniatures quite clean, but having seen a couple of these boxes already, the quality is basically the same as the other ones. So yeah, the female soldiers box gets a big thumbs up from me. And then we have the Tribals. This is for the Ghost Archipelago. I don't know if it's basically a separate game within the same gaming universe. So this is more pirate based. I think these are the first miniatures from Ghost Archipelago I own. So yeah. So let's see. We get bases, same as the other box, and I guess 4 identical sprues. Yes, looks like it. So we'll just pick one. You get 5 bodies, 10 heads, loads of hand weapons and bows. And here you also get masks for the faces, which is quite unusual. And yeah, loads of feathers and stuff. I don't know a whole lot about the lore in the game. I just play the game. So yeah, I don't think that looking at these weapons, they are more like Stone Age hyphen Inca Maya games. So, or weapons, I mean. So, they're probably not interchangeable to the Frostgrave original minis. Okay, so that was a very quick look at these two boxes. We'll probably start gluing these up and see you for the workbench update tomorrow.